Hello my crafty friends, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates back with another crafty video for you. Today I am participating in the Team Tiny Winter Hop. So I'm going to be creating a winter themed card, and I've taken inspiration from this Papercraft kit, and I really liked the idea of this card, and so I decided that I really wanted to use this beautiful patterned paper and also this really gorgeous wreath stamp, which has got a corresponding die. I'm also going to be creating it as a trifold card. So I used some Centura Pearl card, white with a hint of silver, and I cut two 6x6 card blanks, trimmed a very slight bit off the one card just so that it nestles in better, so that it looks nice and neat as a 6x6 card. I then cut two of these panels, which are exactly the same, so to cut it down so that it left a nice little border around. And then the plan is that I'm going to create this big wreath on the front, and then I'm going to use a circle die over the top of that to cut out an aperture in the front. So on the inside we're going to have the same panel using this geometric stamp set, which I haven't used before. I'm going to use this little fox, and I'm going to have him in the center, and I'm going to use some gold embossing powder. I'm going to get cracking and die cutting. I'm also going to speed up this video so that you can see the entire process without it being a really long video. way that this has turned out. I love the turquoise colours. I love that I've been able to use this gorgeous fox. I think this would make a really nice either encouragement card for a friend or a leaving card if someone was leaving work, you know, for a bigger and better opportunities kind of thing. I think that would be really nice for that. So do check out the other participants in the hop. Say it's a hashtag driven hop, so if you click on the hashtag in the description box below, you'll get to see everybody else's videos. So thanks for spending this time with me today. Any questions or comments, please do ask me in the comment section below. So that's all from me today. Take care and see and speak to you soon with some more crafty inspiration. Bye for now.